Hello guys, welcome back to Tech for You. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 easy tips to increase your PC performance. So let's go to the tip number 1, which is to disable all your startup apps. So what you have to do, you just have to go to the Windows icon and search for Start Up Apps, and here you can see, just click on it. So what is the startup apps? So here you can see the list of the apps that start automatically when you start your Windows, even if you don't need them. So here you can see I disable the all apps. So you have to disable the all apps like this, and then next time when you start your Windows, so it will not these apps will not start automatically. Okay, now guys, let's go to the tip number 2, which is to download and install Revo uninstaller. So let's go how to download it. First you have to open your any browser and search for Revo uninstaller. Just click on it. Here you can see the official website. Just click on it. And here you can see the download option. Just click on it. And here you can see there is the free version available, but I'm gonna download a free trial of Revo uninstaller Pro. Just click on it. And here you can see it start downloading. Just wait for downloading. And here we go, it's downloading. Just now go to the file explorer. Just click on downloads, programs, and here you can see Revo uninstaller. Just click on it and you have to install it. Just click yes, okay, accept, next, next, and next. Install. So now Revo uninstaller is installed in our machine. So here just launch Revo uninstaller. Click finish, and you can it automatically open the browser. Just close this, and here you can see it's open. So basically Revo uninstaller is a tool where you can uninstall all your bloatwares or unwanted apps. So here you can see the list. If you go to the all programs, here you can see there are many programs that I don't use. So I'm just gonna check the boxes and I'm gonna uninstall it. So let's go. And now you can see the all leftover files are automatically deleted. So you just gonna click on the finish. Just click on it, and here you can see the all unwanted apps are gone now. Also you can go in the Windows app, and if you find any unwanted app, just check the boxes and uninstall it. It's the same process. So now let's go to the tip number 3, which is to download mem reduct. So let's go how to download it. Just open any browser, just in the search box write mem reduct, just click on it, and here you can see the official website. Click on it, and here you can see the download for Windows. Just click on it, and here you can see it's downloading now, and it's finished. Just close the browser and open the exe file of memreduct. Just go to the downloads programs and click on this exe file. Yes, next, I accept, next, and install it and finish it. After installing this, it will launch automatically. So here you can see your usage and RAM. So just when you click on the clean memory, so notice that here when you click on this, here you can see the difference. So what you have to do, you just have to close this, but it's also run here. So what you have to do, on this icon or here, you just have to left click on it, right click on it, and then here you can see clean when above. So just click on 30. So whenever your usage decrease from 30, so it will clean automatically, and here you can see. Okay, so now let's go to the tip number 4, which is download PC manager. So let's go to download, how to download it. Open Microsoft Store, and here search for PC manager, and here you can see, so it's a official app of Microsoft to help you to clean junk file and clean your memory. So just install it, it will take us some time. And here we go. Now just open it, and you can close the Microsoft Store. Here you can see, just click on the start. Okay, and here you can see the interface. So here you have many options to boost your PC performance. First, look at the interface. Here you can see the boost, like we have memory deck. Just click on the boost, and you can see the difference. And here is the option to health check. Just click on it, and it will find the all errors in your PC. So after finishing, you just have to click on this, check this all, and then click on proceed. And here we go, it's finished now. Now here in processes, you can go and check how many apps are running in the background. So you just have to click on the end, and it will end the all apps. Here you can see, here you can see, and here we go. Now if I go to the apps process, there is a one app is running, which is OBS. So the next option is deep clean. If you click on it, so it will search all your junk files from your memory, and also clean your memory and unwanted files. So it will take a little time, and here we go. Just check the all boxes, and here you can see, just click on proceed. It will take a time. and it's done. Just click on the done. So now you can see that here you can see storage option. So here you can manage all your download files, large files, and it's also provide a toolbox that you can use on your desktop. Here you can see. So whenever you click on it, so it will automatically clean your RAM. So also you can take a screenshot here if you want to. So now we can move to the next step, which is to clean the RAM caches. If you go to the task manager and performance, here you can see the caches. Here you can see the memory caches, which is 4.7 GB. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna clean this caches. So what we have to do, we have to download RAM map. So RAM map is a Microsoft tool that we can that help us to clean our RAM caches. So how to download it? Just search for RAM map, click on it. Here you can see Microsoft official website, and here you can see the download RAM map. Click on it. Here you can see it start downloading now. After download is finished, just go to the downloads, compressed, and you is come in the zip file, so you have to extract it. Just extract it, and here you can see the three options. Just click on RAM map 64.exe. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you together that how it's work. So in one side I'm gonna open task manager, and the other side I'm gonna open the RAM map. Okay, so here what you have to do, you just have to click on empty, and you have to click on standby list, so you can differentiate this. Look at that. When I click on it, here you can see the cache are clean now. Okay, if I click it again, and here you can see the difference. So this is the tool that you can that help us to clear our RAM caches. So if you like these all tips, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.